WhatsApp ads is the cheapest and the good ads that you can run so far and get results. If you're using your WhatsApps and you see that WhatsApp is telling you to boost your page or any status that you have made, don't do that. If you're using your Facebook page and you see that Facebook is recommending you or telling you to boost your page or any post that you have posted out there, don't do that. There are ways that you can run ads on Facebook. That's using the Meta Business Ads. On that Meta Business Ads, there are three ways that you can run ads from Facebook into your WhatsApp's account. And I'm going to walk you through that three ways that you can run that ads from your ads manager or Meta Business Ads into your WhatsApp's account. If you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe to this channel. So to be able to run this ads, you need to make sure you have a WhatsApp business account. You set up your WhatsApp business account, you link it to your page that you want to use on Facebook to run the ads. If you don't have a WhatsApp business account, you cannot run this ads into your WhatsApp business or your WhatsApp account. So if you have a client that want you to run ads to his or her WhatsApp page or WhatsApp account, ask the person to register for a business account. Then you come in and link that business account to your page or the person's page or the kind of platform that you want to use to run the ads. So make sure you have that one, link it to your page before you can run ads. Let's get to the screen. The first thing is to make sure you go to an ads manager. So this is my dashboard, my ads manager dashboard here. And to create an ads, we already know the first step. If you don't know that one, you can check out, I had a full video there. You can check out the step-by-step on how you can set up your ads manager account, your Meta business account, and other stuff. So first, come to create here and choose a new campaign. So this side is the objective that we are going to choose, and to run the ads to three objectives that is available for us to do that one. Okay, so the first one is the traffic objectives. So let's choose the traffic objective, come and hit on continue. Here we come and choose the manual traffic, choose continue. Then it will take us to this side. This where we are focusing on is the ad set or the asset here or asset here. So you can choose this one or you come and choose this one. So I will choose this one, and we are focusing on conversion location. So this is where we are focusing on. So we have conversion location, we have the website apps, and we have Instagram profile and messaging apps. So choose the messaging app here and scroll down here. You see that your WhatsApp account has been all checked. If it is not checked, come in and check that one. If you check that one, that means you are sending the message into your WhatsApp's account. Now we have availability to link up to 50 WhatsApp's number to this page. So if you're running an ads to a client, can link or connect their WhatsApp's account, their WhatsApp business account into your page and run the ads for them without using their own page and stuff. Okay, so that's the first objectives here. That so come to create here, create a new campaign, and we have our objectives here. So choose the engagement section here and choose continue. Come to manual continue to take us to this side here. Come and choose an asset. That's the asset here. So here we are focusing on the conversion location. If you look at my conversion location here, we have the messaging app selected here. If you have your messaging app has not been selected, you come to this side, then you select the messaging app. So I select my messaging app, or I can go to this side and select the messaging app. Okay. Then you scroll down here, come in and take off our messenger because we are running the ads to our WhatsApp account. If you want to use the messenger too, you can choose the messenger, then you receive the message from messenger. And scroll down and come to this and make sure that the number or the number that you want to run the ads has been selected. If not, or it's a different number, it will go to that number. So make sure you select that number, right? So if I watch this video to this far and you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to this channel. Let's grow this community together because we take our time and teach you everything step by step. We don't rush with our video. We explain everything to you. So subscribe to this channel, give us a thumb up, hit the like button for us to increase our rank on Google. So our third objective, come to the create and go to create a new campaign, and we have all these objectives here. Come to sales and hit on continue, then come to manual, hit on continue. So here we go to the asset level here, then we scroll down and check on conversion location. We have our website selected here. Come in and choose messaging apps. Then you scroll down here, check on your WhatsApp account. Okay, this my WhatsApp account has been selected, and then make sure your number that you want to run the ads to has been selected, and then you are good to go. Note, if you make a post on Facebook and Facebook is telling you to boost that post, don't do that. If you do that under the page or the post, you not see any results. You waste your time, you waste your money. For the best way to do that, just come to the Meta or the ads manager and run your ads there. My next video, I'm going to show you how to set up effective Facebook ads into your WhatsApp account and reject that unnecessary messages that people will be sending to you. Maybe you are selling something, you'll be hearing them saying how much it is, more info and other stuff. I'm going to show you how you will reject or you cancel all these stuffs in my next video. Then you will just receive a straightforward sales from any click that you see on your WhatsApp messaging. If I watched to this far and you have get value from this video, make sure you subscribe and then like our video for us. Thank you. See you in the next video.